Alright guys, let's take her back a few years now. Back to pre-40 channel CB radios. And we'll take her back to the COBRA 19, which is a 23 channel AM mobile radio. This one was also donated to me by Thomas. And it's just a basic, like I say, basic 23 channel mobile radio with volume, squelch, channel selector, mic, external speaker, and antenna connector on the back. It's very basic radio. Does what it's supposed to do. And let's take a look at the inside of the COBRA 19 and see what makes her tick. This one's a lot harder shape than the Johnson. Then you say you got power, you got external speaker jack, and antenna. So let's have a peek at the COBRA 19 on the inside. And just as a side note, there is or was a call sign handle on the front of this radio, but there looks like it was Wolf Walker. Wolf Walker was a person that originally had it and used it as their handle. So yeah, let's have a peek at the COBRA 19 on the inside. Alright, this is the COBRA 19 on the inside. This is the circuit board, the solder side of the board, and no parts have been replaced on this by the looks of it, since this was built or assembled. Very interesting. And the soldering looks like normal Uniden soldering. Very good condition. Very good solder joints. So that's the solder side of the board. Let's take a look at the internals of the COBRA 19. So here's the internals. You got your audio amplifier back here. These are quite common in the older radios, 2SC 1096. There's your audio amplifiers right here. You got your RF finals right here. 1678 is the output, and sure, DC 1763 is the driver. So there's your actual finals right here, and there's your crystals. We all know what these guys can do. And there's no date as such on this radio, but this is the internal components of the COBRA 19. I guess the successor to the COBRA 19, as this one is, would be the COBRA 19 Ultra, which is a 40 channel version of this radio. There you go. COBRA 19 component side. Let's see what she looks like powered up. I never got a microphone with this one. She takes a standard 4-pin mic plug. 4-pin standard COBRA. I got one from a COBRA 138. We'll put it on her. Maybe the wiring goes the same. We'll see. Alright, let's power this beast up and see what she looks like. Well, I had the COBRA 19 hooked up to outdoor antenna. There is no sound. So the audio amplifier has some sort of a malfunction in it. Transmitter could be bad. I got my COBRA 138 XLR outside, not outside but out in the other room. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Let's put the camera out by the 138 so you can hear what this COBRA 19 sounds like.